We're happy you're here to explore Displays2go's rental offering. Now that you've arrived on our rentals page and started exploring our offerings, we wanted to walk you through the next steps as you start your rental experience. Once you have discovered the perfect exhibit booth or digital display for your business needs, get your order started by clicking the Request a Quote button. Fill out your company and event information and identify the products you are interested in getting quotes for, so our dedicated rental care representative can get started. You've submitted your quote. Now what? Our rental care representative will be in touch within 1 to 2 business days to get you set up for success with your event timeline. We will cover everything from your custom printed graphics to shipping and logistics. The convenient no-tool assembly booth designs and user-friendly digital quick start guides will allow you to get set up with ease when you arrive to your event, so you can focus on the connections you are looking to build. Whether it's your first or 5th time renting, we look forward to making this process as seamless as possible.